In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Elementor on WordPress. Whether you're a seasoned WordPress user or just getting started, Elementor is a powerful tool that can truly transform the way you build and design your website. So let's dive in and explore how to start using this incredible plugin. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Plugins option in the sidebar on the left. Hover over it, and a few more options will appear. Go ahead and click on Add New. This is going to open up a new page where you can search for different plugins you might be interested in adding to your site. In the search bar, type in Elementor. You'll see a list of plugins populate your screen. Look for the one simply titled Elementor, and once you've found it, hit the Install Now button next to it. Installation should only take a moment, and when it's done, you'll notice a new button that says Activate. Go ahead and click on Activate to enable Elementor on your WordPress site. At this point, you're ready to start using Elementor's features, but keep in mind that there's also an optional Pro version of Elementor. The Pro version offers additional widgets such as nav menu, forms, and posts, which can be quite beneficial if you want to expand your design and functionality capabilities. Next, let's create a new page where you can actually use Elementor to its full potential. Head over to the sidebar again, and this time, click on Pages, then Add New. Once you're there, give your new page a name. You might choose something like Home if you're building a homepage, or any other title that fits what you're creating. With your page named, you'll see a button at the top of your screen that says Edit with Elementor. In order to start designing, click this button. This action will transport you directly into the Elementor editor where the magic really happens. Now that you're inside the Elementor editor, you're standing on the doorstep of a world full of creative possibilities. Elementor is designed to be intuitive, so take your time to explore the left-hand panel where you'll find all your widgets and design options. This is where you can drag and drop elements onto your page, edit text, insert images, and so much more. Using Elementor effectively will allow you to build beautifully designed, responsive pages without touching a single line of code, saving you both time and effort. So there you have it, a simple guide to getting started with Elementor on WordPress. Now it's your turn to create something amazing. Happy designing!